This looks just like the new drone just photographed over Canada. Long elliptical spinning shape in the center. 20 hertz, 25 hertz, 30 hertz, 40 hertz. A UFO type of drone, which was photographed over Canada on January 14, 2025, seems to have two sets of three-phase wire coils, 1, 2, arranged in a staggered fashion in each other's holes. They're both wired UVW, UVW, so both magnetic fields spin clockwise when we turn them on a variable frequency device. In the center we have a little magnetic flywheel, which is also seen in the drone, and we put 4 S magnets on it, and that spins quite well with these three-phase coils, although we don't know how many magnets are on the actual drone which was photographed. When we turn on the three-phase power, you can see that magnetic flywheel begins to spin and wobble. 5 hertz, 10 hertz, 12 hertz, 15 hertz. At around 20 hertz, it begins to rise up. .30 hertz. You can see it's hitting the plastic. Now we're not getting a whole lot of lift here, but if we had, say, stronger magnetic field, say with superconducting wire instead of copper wire, then it should lift quite strongly. High magnetic field strength is critical to make this device work. Now we have 2 sets of three-phase coils which have about twice the magnetic power, both UVW, the same magnetic flywheel. We'll turn it on, start spinning at 5-10 hertz. By the time we hit 15 hertz, it's hitting the plastic above. 20 hertz, 25 hertz, 30 hertz, 40 hertz. So we're going to get a lot more upward thrust if the coils are bigger or if they use superconducting wires to give more magnetic field strength. Now here we have two sets of three-phase wire coils, both wired UVW and staggered. So one sits in the holes of the other. Looks like 6 coils from above, and a slightly larger magnetic flywheel that's wobbling. Now the wobbling of that flywheel makes it look sort of elliptical as it speeds up. This looks just like the new drone which was photographed over Canada. Long elliptical spinning shape in the center. This is a larger magnetic flywheel with the larger, more powerful wire coils. And it also spins better at higher magnetism. You can see the long elliptical shape. Just like in the drone photographed over Canada on January 14, 2025. 20 hertz, 25 hertz, 30 hertz, 40 hertz.